So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ako ay mag-react sa Arcane Season 2 Episode 1. So please like and subscribe. So to guys, magsimula na tayo. So buhay si Mel, akala ko patay siya. Ito yung sa season 1, yung pinasabi ni Jinx. Yung yung mga council. Dito pa yan ni Jinx. Ano nangyari sa kanila? Nanay ni Caitlyn yun. Victor, namatay ako si Victor. So yun nga, na-react yung Hexcore sa katawan ni Victor. So dito, nagre-react yung Hexcore sa katawan ni Victor. So, sa season 1, binanggit ni Victor na delikado yung Hexcore na to. So, parang nilalagay ni Victor, ay ni Jace, kay Victor yung Hexcore. At yung Hexcore guys, kulay, na siya, purple, para siyang void. Ayoko na mag-spoil kung ano yun. Basta yun na yun, yun yung napansin ko. Riot Games and Fortish Production. Ginamit na lang yung team song. Yung intro ng season 1, ito pa rin. Oh, wait. Ano to? Ambessa is holding a rose. Black rose. So, member ata si Ambessa ng Black. Hindi ko alam. Panoorin na natin. Ganda. Ang ganda na intro. Namatay yung nanay ni Caitlyn. Ganda nung animation, yung Namatay yung nanay ni Caitlyn. Oh my God, namatay yung nanay ni Caitlyn, guys. Ganda ng animation yung black and white. May tapos si Caitlyn tsaka si Bay ano, Color. Grabe.
She was a great woman, a good friend. I don't know how we'll face this crisis without her.
To think we nearly extended sovereignty to the creatures who did this. We're charged with imposing order. And we've been asleep at our posts. Well, my eyes are open. There will be no more fairy tales of peace until we scour our basement of its demons.
So kind of you to assist Councillor Sallow, Mother.
As we are at war, I thought it prudent to solicit the advice of such an experienced veteran.
Let us address the matter at hand. Our people are scared, suffering. They need to know their leaders have the situation under control.
An unprecedented show of force. We flood the Undercity forces, armed with Hextech.
Innocents will be caught in the crossfire.
How many more councillors have to be blown to pieces before you finally wake up? We are under siege!
Parang di ko gusto yung lalaking to. Ang counselor dito. Ayan o. Hindi ko gusto yan.
Officer Pyramid witnessed the attack firsthand. She confirmed this was the act of a single deranged individual. Jinx. Silco is dead. The underground leaderless. If we follow your plan, we risk
Ba't
unifying
nandito sa
the
base ah?
So what is your solution? Chastisement? A firm reprimand?
We use a division against them. Pin the attack on Jinx. Post a reward too substantial to ignore. I'm sorry, Mel. I'm not comfortable trusting our fates to chance. Jinx is proven elusive. Our healing can only begin once she's been brought to justice.
Then it's settled. 2 to 1. We invade.
I-invade nila yung zone. Eh, may mga inosenteng tao doon.
In crises such as these, it's imperative we present a unified front to the public. Whatever your personal feelings. How wise. I'll agree to endorse the invasion. But I draw the line at Hextech. We have an ethos. Such force must be a final resort.
Agreed.
So may black na papel. Ay, may black na sulat.
I had the shot.
Grabe yung tatay ni Caitlyn. Nanghina. So masakit nga naman yun nawala ng asawa.
The Kiraman key? No, I'm not. I don't deserve it.
It's your legacy now, Caitlyn. What is she still doing here?
Kawawa si Boy.
Hey.
Makakawawa si Caitlyn. Namatay yung mama niya sa ano, pagsabog.
You're right, Kate. Powder's gone. I can make this right. If you get Jace to fix the gauntlets, I can do this myself. No one else needs to get hurt.
No. No more broken mission. No more reckless plans. My mother was right. My arrogance led me to take on more than I can handle, and she paid the price.
We're sending all the enforcers up to Jinx. I'm going with them. Please, I have to help. You can?
Binigay.
There's
One
one
of us.
Kate, I can't break this. People are calling for blood. The council won't stop them. You can show them, not all of them.
Nagis ni ba yung ano?
We can show them. Together. I watched them kill my parents. Do you have any idea how that feels? Yes, I do.
Gusto gawin ni Caitlyn na enforcer si
I
Boy.
thought you were on our side. You didn't take it all. Sorry.
Not my first. You all right?
You, know someone in the attack?
Ano yan?
How is he?
Same as before? Breathing? Pulse is consistent. Beyond that,
Ay,
your guess is as good as mine.
si Victor. Ba't ganito si Victor dito? So, nagre-react yung ano. Kinain siya ng ano. Ano ba nangyari sa kanya dito?
What's it doing to him?
The hex core has been evolving, shifting through runic patterns faster than I can keep up. All I know for certain is that it's keeping him alive. It's a source of
Ano ginawa sa katawan ni Victor? Ba't naging ganun?
It should be me up there to save him.
Don't say that.
He'll
He'll
come
come
back to us.
I still don't understand. He was right next to me. How does the explosion do that to him? And I just walk out without a scratch.
Tama. Magkatabi kayo.
There's no sense to these things, Jace.
How did it go with the council?
My mother's entered the game. She's already gotten her hooks into Salon, using his grief to make a play for Hextech.
No. I promise, Director. Never again.
It's all
It's
right.
all right.
I handled it. I won't let them corrupt your dream.
May paghiga.
Caitlin was there. You might pay her a visit. She hides it admirably, but the poor girl's in so much pain.
Hindi naantok ako. Pero papanoorin ko to. Ay. Oh my. Namumula yung mata ni G. Oh, nag-daydream siya.
How'd you find me?
Your dad.
Mother and I used to come here when we needed an escape. One of the few places we never argued.
I'm sorry I haven't been around.
How's Victor?
I can't even tell if he's still in there.
Ever since it happened, three faces keep spinning through my mind.
Ganda nito, oh.
I see Mother when they found her, and every fibre of me just sinks like a stone swallowed in dark water.
So yung iba nakaligtas sa pagsabog na ginawa ng rocket ni Jinx.
Throat forever.
Kate,
I know. I just understand now how easy it is to hit them. One vicious act. Then I see Vi. I asked her to put on a uniform. Suffice to say, she declined.
Me. Join the Peanut Patrol. Huh. And I thought she had no sense of humor.
Parang lalaki si Vi dito.
That's right. There's no point sticking around up here.
So walang time skip kasi ganito pa rin yung suot ni Vi eh.
Except
So walang time skip na naganap dito.
who created the monster.
Vi?
Ay, ito na. Ito na yung sinasabi ko.
Who are you? How do you know my name? Junior Officer Nolan. Maddie. And,
Mad.
it's written on your face.
So hindi siya anak ni Marcos kasi
So what is it?
walang time skip eh.
Random search?
Expert off the property? Or are you just here to waste my time? Zarch? No. No. You're something of a legend amongst the enforcers. Caitlin made quite a scene at the station when you tried to deny your enlistment. I have to ask,
is all true. He went after Silco alone when the council wouldn't back you. Took on his whole gang.
Kate said that.
She said, every force of her heart like yours. If you keep on the opposite self. But then she threatened to withdraw her family's funding. Anyhow, I'm glad you're joining up. After the sheriff betrayed us, well, let's just say, it's nice to know there's still good ones left.
Ano ba ako? Ito. So may mga nakabelo, hindi ko alam kung sino.
One of the many privileges of serving as your counsellor
Is having the occasion now and again to stand behind this podium. People, so many, joined together not by birth or diction, but by all that we share. Our hope, our curiosity, our compulsion to leave behind us world better than that.
Nakabelo.
These things
Maraming mangyayari dito.
make us one people.
Ganda oh, yung parang may araw oh. Oh my God. May mangyayari nga dito.
Today, we share an unthinkable loss. Councillor Iris Borwick, Councillor Tormund Hospital, and Councillor Cassandra Kiernan were taken from us. But they shall not be forgotten.
So ginawa sila ng ano? Rebulto? Statue? Di ba? Puntahan mo. Yun lang, hindi siya pinapasok. Ano ba gagawin nito lalaki?
and they will account for their crimes. Awful, isn't it?
Losing a loved one.
Oh my God. Oh my God, papatayin si Mel. Oh my God. Ay. So, hindi pala pinatay si Mel. Oh my God! Ganda na pagkakagawa! Oh my God! Patay! Yan, ano mo? Oh my God! Oo nga pala, naalala ko. Napatay ni Jace yung anak nito. Napatay na yung anak ni Jace. Si Jace pala yung nakapatay sa anak nito. Oh my God, Jace! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Hindi ko na pagkakagawa. Oh my God. Ano yan? mo. Lakas ni Van. Lakas niya. Tapos hindi niya kaya to eh. Sige doon lang. Oh my God. Lakas nga niya, lakas niya. Nakawawa sila ano.
I have an idea. What are you doing?
Higante to. Pinatay nga pala yung anak nito. Yung may hawak ng chainsaw. Aksidenteng napatay ni Jace. Kaya sa kanya pala, oh my God. Oh my God. Ang liit nung ano, martilyo hawak ni Jace. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Tawa niya pa yung baril dun. Shotgun niya. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Ang linaw. Ikaw. Oh. Baka na. Na-chainsaw si Jace. Doy pa naman siya. So, kukuhanin ata ni Bay yung gauntlet para makatulog ka. Grabe, nakagawa nito. Ganda nito. First episode pa lang ah. Ganito na agad yung eksena. Ay, yung lalaki tumulong. Kaya pala sila, lima yung nandun. Oh my God. Yun, yung for my anak nila. Ano nangyari? Ginamit ni Bay yung ano ko ha. Kala ko yung gauntlet kukuhanin niya. Yung hammer pala ni ano ni kukuhanin niya. Gusto ko yung karakter na yun, yung babae na yun. Yung, akala ko anak ni Marcus yun. Oh my God. Oh my God! Layo gumana! Yun. Ganda ng ano, effect. Okay. Ano yun? May mga spear. Saan ang galing yun? Okay, ang besa. So, ito na nga. Nakialam na yung Noxus sa ano.
Thought for sure you were gonna get yourself killed.
A memorial? What kind of animals?
They wanted the spectacle. Right, they're trying to scare you.
All they did is piss me off.
You need to find a way to call off the invasion.
What?
This battle was on your soil. Down there, you'll be on their terms.
None of this is on our terms. Maybe you should change that. Well, I don't know how, okay? She dies and leaves this giant hole, and I'm just supposed to fill it. Like she was never there to begin with.
Hey,
Ay,
you won't.
The
The
hole
hole
gets
gets
smaller.
smaller, but you never fill it.
I was wrong to spring a badge on you. It's just every way I slice it. If I go after your sister alone, one of us comes back in a box.
tama.
It's all coming apart. No, it isn't. We won't let it.
Never in our lifetimes has Piltover's leadership been forced into the dungeons of our capital. But here we are. Does anyone still doubt that our enemy is greater than one deranged individual?
How did they sneak so many of these things into the ceremony? I thought we took every measure to secure it.
Tatlo ang natira sa council.
From someone up here.
We can't afford
Hindi
anyone.
isang besa.
If we do not defend ourselves,
Nagdala ka sila kay Clean.
this will mean nothing.
We aren't prepared for a full-scale invasion. The Undercity's
Hey.
attack proved that.
Pumasok si
Closed
Caitlyn.
council meeting. Who let you in here?
I am a decorated officer, leader of House Kieran. Address me with respect, or keep your mouth shut.
Oh my God.
I will lead a strike team into Zorn with three objectives. Locate Jinx, dismantle Shimmer, and neutralize any agent still loyal to Silco.
What makes you think you'll fare any better than our forces today?
We've got a few surprises of our own.
Oh. Yung kasamahan niya nga, yung si ano, yung lalaking ano, yun o, yung higit na. Oh my God, God, divide. Diba ito? Ay, sumayag din pala, diba ito? Pinayos po, ay, pinayon. Nangyari kay Victor dito. Didilat yan, didilat yan. Kala ko didilat eh. Si Singe. Ayun. So, tapos na. So, yun nga guys. Tapos na yung Arcane, Season 2, Episode 1. So, discussion na tayo. Ba't ako gumawa ganyan? So, yun nga, discussion tayo. Ang napansin ko yung sa intro nung kanta. So, may hawak si Ambessa na rose, color black, black rose. So, sa mga di nakakaalam, yung Black Rose, isa yung ano, organization sa Noxus. Yun ang sasabihin ko, hindi na ako mag-spoil kung ano ibig sabihin nun, basta yun na yun. Isa siyang organization sa Noxus. Hindi ko alam kung miyembro ba si Ambessa nung Black Rose, pero baka miyembro siya kasi may hawak siya eh. So, yun lang, yun masasabi ko. Ayoko na basta yun yung Black Rose. So, sa pangalawa ko napansin, yung kay Victor, akala ko patay na si Victor. Pero nung dinala na si Victor dun sa may loob ng lab, nag-react sa kanya yung hex core. So, parang, baka mabuhay si Victor. Kasi nag-react eh. Tapos, humihinga pa daw. So, ayun nga yung napansin ko. So, parang kinain na ng hex ko yung katawan niya. Di ko alam kung ano mangyayari. So, yun na nga. So, yung pangatlo, ang napansin ko is yung character na si Maddie. So, akala ko, anak siya ni Marcus. So, hindi siya anak kasi nga, walang time skip na naganap. Kasi, ganun pa rin yung suot ni Bay eh. May kulay-kulay na blazer. So, hindi siya anak. Kamukha lang siya nung anak ni Marcus. So, parang, hindi siya. Siguro, kamag-anak niya yun or whatever. So, yun yung napansin ko. So, pang-apat na nagustuhan ko yung laban agad. Bakbakan agad dun sa, yung nagsasalita si Mel. Akala ko mamamatay si Mel eh. So, hindi mamamatay si Mel. Gila sa ulo. So, ang ganda nung ang ganda ng pagkaka-animate. Tapos parang maghihigante yung may green dito. Nakalimutan ko pangalan niya eh. Kasi nga, namatay yung anak nun. So, ang ganda ng scene, yung bakbakan agad. Ang ganda. Tapos, akala ko kukuhanin ni ba yung Hextech Gauntlet or yung Atlas Gauntlet. Yun pala yung, Hextech Hammer ni Jace yung kinuha niya. So, yun. Ang ganda nun. So, yung panglimang nagustuhan ko, yung ipinakilala na ni Caitlyn yung sarili niya bilang head of House Kiraman. So, yun. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung sinayon yung sinabi ni Caitlyn na siya yung bagong head ng House of Kiraman. And then, yung lumalabas sa likod niya yung mga member. Yung, ang ganda ng pagkapasok niya, yung babae, si Maddie, yung lalaking mataba. Siya yung, parang shield siya eh. Tapos yung lalaking parang green. So, yung lalaking green, Bastayan yun, Bastaya, kasi ganun yung itsura ng mga Bastaya. Basta, di ko na, basta, kayo na bahala mag-search kung ano yung Bastaya. And then, yung biglang lumabas si Bai, hawak niya yung Hextech Gauntlet. And then, napansin ko, habang lumalabas sila, pinapakilala, si Jace yung gumawa, yung mga weapon nila. So, parang galit pa si Jace. Para siyang, parang di niya matanggap na ginagawa niya yung mga yun. Kasi parang parang ayaw niyang gawin. So, yun yung pang 5 nagustuhan ko, yung para silang Avengers, para silang Power Ranger, lumabas sila doon. Sila, Elera. Gusto ko yung, ganyan yung nakita ko sa trailer, kaya pala naging enforcer si Bai. So, sa bandang huli, napapayag din ni Kate si Bai na maging enforcer dahil siguro sa nangyari, nanggulo yung mga taga-zone. So, hindi ko nakita nakita ko si Jinx, isang beses lang. Yung sa scene ni Caitlyn, yung nag-daydream si Caitlyn. So, yung pang-anim na napansin ko, is si Singe. Nasa snowy siya, na lugar. So snowy na lugar. Magbabanggit, hindi ayoko na magbanggit, nung region pa. Kasi, sa reaction ko sa previous video ko, nagbanggit ako ng 2 region, Noxus tsaka Shurima. So, yung pangatlo napansin ko nga, yung kay Singe, nasa snowy siya, na lugar, snow. So, ayoko nang magbanggit ng region. So, ang napansin ko dito is, may wolf. May wolf siyang nakita. Parang, ewan ko kung ano gagawin niya doon. So, alam ko na yung mangyayari kung ba't niya pinuntahan yung mga wolf na yon. Kasi nga, League of Legends player ako. So, alam ko yung eksena. Jungle siya doon. Nag-jungle si Singe. Pwede siyang i-jungle. Pwede naman i-jungle si Singe sa League of Legends na laro. So, nag-jungle siya. Ayun naman. So, may kinuha siyang wolf. So, ayun na yung ayokong banggitin kung saan niya gagamitin yung mga wolf. So, yun na yun. Yun yung pang-6 na nagustuhan ko. Or napansin kong scene. Ang ganda. So, dito na nga nagtatapos ang aking reaction sa Arcane Season 2, Episode 1. So, please guys, please, sa mga nanonood, please, like and subscribe po. Please, like and subscribe po. Ha? And then, sa mga susunod, lagay ko na yung Arcane Season 2, Episode 2. So, peace out.